Hey guys, it's Sarah from Here to Dream, and here is a Dr. Seuss Truffula Tree themed hairstyle. You'll start by sectioning off the bottom. Make a line from ear to ear and clip away the top section. Now take the bottom section and split it into 3 equal sections. Now you're going to tie each of those sections with an elastic, making sure to tie them at the bottom of the head. Now you'll do the same with the top section. Split them into 3 equal sections, making sure you line them up with the bottom sections, and then clip them out of the way separately. Now for each of these sections on top, you're going to tie them into a high ponytail. When you're done with those, you'll have 6 ponytails altogether, 3 up top and 3 down low. Now we're going to add the pipe cleaners. Pull on the elastic band and stick one end of the pipe cleaner through. Bend that end of the pipe cleaner down so that it won't poke her head, and then twist both the hair and the pipe cleaner together, making a candy cane design. Then tie it with an elastic at the end. And you'll do the same thing with the other 2 bottom ponytails. You can use any color pipe cleaner really, I just decided to go with 2 yellows and an orange. Next, you'll take each of the bottom ponytails and you'll add it to the ponytail that is right above it. Once the bottom ponytails are added to the top ponytails, you're going to twist them into a bun and then use bobby pins to secure it. Also, before I twist it into a bun, I like to bend the end of the pipe cleaner so that it doesn't stick out. And I try to hide the pipe cleaner by pushing it in the middle of the ponytail while I twist to form the bun. Now take your yarn pom-pom, place the pom-pom where you want the top of the tree to sit, and then take that longer piece of yarn and twist it around and twist it near the base of the bun and then secure it in place. And then you do the same thing to the other 2 buns, and then you're done. I chose 2 pinks and a yellow for the tops of my trees, but I think any bright color will look great. That's just what I had on hand. And here's the finished product. And here's a view of the front. Okay, now for the yarn pom-pom, it's super easy. You take the end of the string and you wrap it around your hand. I wrap the string around my hand 30 times. And when you're done wrapping it, cut it about 6-7 inches down. Next, take that end that's hanging and push it between your middle and your ring finger, and do that about 2 times. After the first 2 times, I tightened it, and then I wrapped it around with my thumb in the way, and then I took the end of the yarn and I looped it through the loop that my thumb created, and then tightened it that way. And I kept doing that. I did it about 3 times like that. Next, take the scissors and cut the looped ends and then fluff it out. And now you have a yarn pom-pom to use for your Truffula Tree top. Thanks for watching.